We battled those same demons that you were afraid of. And we came up on top. See what I'm saying? You gotta go in the darkness to come up on top. Cause everything is you. Much gratitude, much gratitude. You gotta go to the darkness. Cause we came from darkness. Without dark, there's no light. That's why you are afraid of this light. Cause it's shining on your darkness. And you trying to hide it. But you cannot hide from the light. See what I'm saying? You can't hide from the light. And that's when they come all aggressive. Like you didn't like you picking on them. Because they're afraid to face themselves for who they are. See what I'm saying? They're afraid to face themselves for who they are. So they want to project hate onto everybody else. That shit, I know who I am. I'm being my authentic self. See what I'm saying? And that's what them demons that's controlling you mad about. Peace, peace to the gods. Gratitude for you tuning in. Peace, peace, God. Ashe. See what I'm saying? That goes to show you how they is. Man, you gotta ask yourself, who are you working for? Like, man, that's one thing, man. You gotta question everything. I don't want y'all to believe me. I want you to believe you. I'm feeling lovely on a high vibration. I took me an hour nap. Took me an hour nap in nature. You hear me, in the sun, vibrating high. You know, I gotta stay high. I gotta stay high. You know, and I'm coming to spread some of this love that I got within me. You hear me? Ashe. Come and spread some of this love. I'm pulling people up. You hear me? That's what I do. They got these bots coming in here trying to bring people down, come and try to siphon energy. You ain't about to get none of this energy. But I tell you one thing, with all this love I'm speaking, it's going to spark something in you, and you got to sit with that shit. You going to have to sit with it. You can't run away from the truth. See what I'm saying? You cannot run away from the truth. You gotta sit with it. That's what they mad about, so they try to attack. See what I'm saying? Because when you bear your authentic self, when you know who you are, and you standing in your power and you speaking that truth, what they afraid of, they're going to try to attack you. But they got the right and the wrong one. See what I'm saying? Because look, I transmute that shit and become more and more powerful. So, I mean, low vibrational beings, they used to giving their energy up. So I'm going to turn that shit into love, because energy is energy. I take that shit like a star. See what I'm saying? I take that shit like a star. Oh, power up off of that shit. See what I'm saying? And they mad about that. Man, other than them just taking in information, because if you do not take in information, you won't know what to do with it. But the fear of them, their belief system, the fear that their belief system pushes, they block it out so they don't take it in and analyze it. See what I'm saying? They don't take in information and analyze it because it makes them feel a certain way. It makes them feel it makes the demons expose. You basically exposing their demons, and they don't like that.